Today is the 1st of February. It's 21 degrees outside. And I'm gonna go cold start. It snows and everything. Gonna go cold start my truck. God, I hope it don't fall. It's all slick. We don't get very much snow. This is all ice, really. Okay, hang on. Hopefully it'll start. Hopefully I can get in there. There we go. Okay. I'm letting it run all the cycles it needs. It has a 162,156. Cross your fingers. Didn't do that bad for being 21 degrees. Fahrenheit, I think. No. I'm paying attention that much. I'm gonna let it sit here and run. Oh, it's so cold. The whole street's ice. Like, I can't explain it. The whole thing is ice. I don't want to even try to drive that on it. I don't even know I can move my truck. That's the whole thing. I'm sitting here just belching out the smoke. Bed's all iced over. Oh, it's a little warmer in here than it is out there. It's cold, sorry. I'm just freezing. I can't get my hands to warm up. And it's all ice, yeah. It won't even let my... Yeah, my windshield wipers don't even run. It's how cold it is out here. It's not snow, it's ice. We're moving slow, but... And we don't have to go to school today, so... Yeah, it is freezing in here. It is... Let's see if we can read it. Hopefully we can. It is... Hopefully it'll go off. 10:11. There's kind of a glare. 10:11. So... I haven't been up for very, very long. Yeah, my windows won't even roll down. No, it's fucked. Let's say that. Let's see my back window. My back window won't even open. It is retarded. As Pug One would say, that shit stinked. I don't want to. It's too cold. Freezing my balls off. That's all I had to tell you. Bye.